In today's video, we are going to show you how to read the Quotex chart step by step, especially if you're a beginner and feel confused looking at all of those candles moving up and down. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in using your credentials, I want you to make sure that you are on the trading platform because this will open up the chart panel. Now, the first thing that you will see here at the center of your screen is going to be the price movement, the direction of the market, and how price behaves over time. The chart moves from left to right, meaning the left side shows the price movement, and the right side here shows the current live price. The most important part is the candles. The candles are these icons right here. So each candle represents the opening price, the closing price, the highest price, and of course the lowest price. Now, the green candle means price went up during that time period. And the red candle means price went down during that time period. The thicker the part of the candle is called the body, and the two thin lines on the top here and at the bottom are called wicks or shadows. So remember, if the body is big, it means strong movement, and if the wicks are long, it means the price rejection or it is a market hesitation. On the top of the chart, you can change the time frames by going here, okay? Because each candle represents 1 minute of price action. For example, if you want to set a specific time here, you can do so. And if you want to add an investment, you can do that as well. But if you are a beginner, I suggest you start with 1 minute so it's a lot easier to read. Now, don't just focus on one candle. You can zoom out and zoom in at the bigger picture. The trend is gonna be your friend whenever you look on the direction of the candles. Now, we have a separate video on how you can draw horizontal lines here on our channel that you might want to look into. But basically, the horizontal lines right here, you see this, marks these areas. When price reaches support, buyers may enter. And when price reaches resistance, sellers may enter as well. So this helps you predict possible reversals. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can read the chart here in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.